Good morning, all of you. In this video, I am telling you about the chapter 4. Name of the chapter is Addition and Subtraction. This is the part 5 of this chapter. Here, the topic is subtraction with borrowing. I am explaining you what is subtraction with borrowing. As in the previous part, I have told you about the minute. The larger number is called minute, the smaller one is called the subtract, and the result that comes after the subtraction that is called difference. Here 2354 is minute, 1702 is subtract, and 652 is difference. Subtraction with borrowing. The same step you have to follow. That is the first you have to write the place value. The place value write the minute first. After that under the minute write the subtract. I am taking the one example number 1, that is subtract 38,967 from 56,423. So, the first step is that we are arranging the place value chart. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000. In this, I am writing the minute first, that is starting from the right to the left, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5. After that, the subtract, that is 7, 6, 9, 8, 3. And here before in the previous one, the digits on the minute is always greater, but in this case, when the digit on the minute is less smaller than the subtract, so I am taking the borrow from the number that is on the left side. So I am taking borrow for here 3 is less than 7. So I am taking borrow from the 2. So then 2 is, when I am taking 1 from that number, it will be 1, and the 3 will becomes the 13, because tens place when moves to the hundreds place, 10 tens is equals to 10 ones is equals to 1 tens. That's why this will happens. So 13 minus 7 is equals to 6, and again 11 1 is less than 6. Again I am borrowing from the 4. So if 4 becomes 3 and the 1 becomes 11. So I am subtracting 11 minus 6, that is equals to 5. Now I am subtracting from the 3. 3 is less than 9. So again I am borrowing from 6. So 6 becomes 5, and this 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 9 is equals to 4. Now 5 is less than 8. Again I am borrowing from 5. So 5 becomes 4, and this 5 on the thousand place 5 becomes 15. So 15 minus 8 is equals to 7, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So our answer is 17,456. Now I am taking the next example. This one is the word problem. What number is 1097 less than 13,004? It means that how much is 1000 less than that number. So you are subtracting the numbers and you get the answer. Here always remember, you are writing the number on the place value chart. First the ones, then tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. Here again I have written the number 13,004 starting from the ones place, 40031. Then the second number 79101, that is 1097. After that I have started subtracting. 4 is less than 7, so I have borrow from the 0. 0 is less than 0. So 0 again take the borrow from the number digit that is on the left side. On the 100 place also 0 was given, so it will take from the 3. So now 3 becomes 2, and now on the 100 place it will be 10. From 10, when it gives one number to the tens place, it becomes 9. And now on tens place it is 10. Now one number it was given to the ones place and it becomes 9. Now we are subtracting 14 minus 7, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 1, 1. And at last there is no number to subtract, so write 1 as an answer. So our answer is 11,907. The next example I am taking, what number should be added to 16,877 to get 20,014? So here you have to add some number to 16,000 so that your answer will be this. So we have to subtract the number from the 16,877 from 20,014. So here 20,014 is the minimum and 16,877 is your subtrahend. I have explained you here with an example. Uh, First we are writing the place value chart and then the minimum and the subtrahend. And again we are starting the same procedure. 4 is less than 7, so we are taking borrow from the tens place. On tens place one digit was given to you. When it give to the ones place it becomes 0, and on ones place it is 14. So 14 minus 7 is equals to 7. Then 0. 0 is less than 7. So it will not subtract. So again I am borrowing from the 100 place. So on 100 place there is 0. So I am again moving to the 1000 place. Or this place I have 0. So I am moving to the 10,000 place. There is 2. So I have taken to borrow from here. Now 2 becomes 1, and on thousand place it is 10. So one number it will give to the 100 place. Now it becomes 9, and on 100 place it becomes 10. Then one tenth is removed, then it will be 9 hundreds. Then 10 tenths was given to you. In 10 tenths you have to remove the 1, then it will become 10 minus 7, then your answer is 3. On the 100 place 9 minus 8 is equals to 1, and 9 minus 6 is equals to 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So you have to write it, whether you are writing 0 or not, there will be no problem. What number should be subtracted from 32,050 to get 36,075? But it means that you have to subtract some number from 32,000. So you get the answer was given to you. So here difference was given to you and minute was given to you. You have to find the subtract. So the subtract no, for this one you have to subtract the difference from the minute, you get the answer. Okay. These are the questions I have given you to solve it. Try to solve these questions. Thank you for watching this video.